Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. In our last two lessons, we've been learning the verb vouloir, which means to want. In this lesson, we're going to take it a little bit further, and I'm going to show you how to use the verb vouloir to express the idea would like. In other words, to be more polite. So, let's go ahead and just quickly review. Remember, in our last two lessons, we've learned the forms of the verb vouloir in the present tense. I want, je veux. You want, tu veux. He wants, il veut. She wants, elle veut. On veut, one wants. We want, nous voulons. You want, vous voulez. And they want, ils veulent, elles veulent. Okay, so now here's the fun and exciting part. We can use some special forms of the verb vouloir to express the idea would like, which is much more polite. So these forms are irregular. You just have to memorize them like you would memorize the present tense forms. These are actually the conditional tense forms. So let's look at the first one here. Je voudrais, je voudrais. So the difference between je veux and je voudrais. Je veux means I want. Je voudrais means I would like. Literally, I would want, but it expresses the idea that we would say in English, I would like. So, je voudrais, I would like. Tu, same form, tu voudrais, you would like, tu voudrais. Il, elle, or on form, voudrait. Il voudrait, he would like. Elle voudrait, she would like. On voudrait, one would like. Nous. Nous voudrions. Nous voudrions. We would like. You would like. Vous. Vous voudriez. Vous voudriez. You would like. And then finally, il or elle voudrait. They would like. Voudrait. Okay, so you have to memorize these forms. There's no way around it. Native speakers have to memorize it at some point. So once you memorize, then it's so much better. I know memorization is not fun, but, well, it just has to be done. So, okay. So once you memorize the forms, then you open up another level of French to your ability. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we can do with this. So these forms of vouloir work just like the present tense forms. In other words, you can follow this form with a noun to say that you would like something. Instead of saying you want something, you can say you would like something. So for example, if I want to say, I would like a baguette, je voudrais une baguette. Je voudrais une baguette. And by the way, this is the really nice way of, and polite way of ordering at a restaurant, of course, followed by s'il vous plaît. So you could tell your server, I would like a baguette, please. Je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Always follow with s'il vous plaît for maximum politeness. Okay, so I would like a croissant. Je voudrais un croissant. I would like a cookie. Je voudrais un biscuit. I would like some bread. Je voudrais du pain. And remember always, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais du pain, s'il vous plaît. I would like a carrot. Je voudrais une carotte. I would like a tomato. Je voudrais une tomate. I would like some chicken. Je voudrais du poulet. I would like some fish. Je voudrais du poisson. I would like some cheese. Je voudrais du fromage. I would like some milk. Je voudrais du lait. I would like some butter. Je voudrais du beurre. I would like a croque-monsieur. Remember ham and cheese sandwich? Je voudrais un croque-monsieur. I would like some soup. Je voudrais de la soupe. I would like a salad. Je voudrais une salade. I would like a sandwich. Je voudrais un sandwich. And I would like some wine. Je voudrais du vin. Remember also that in the case where a vowel follows, you could have liaison. Some speakers may do the liaison. Okay, so let's talk about what you would like to do. Remember, you can also follow a conjugated form of vouloir, which this is. It's just a different tense. It's the conditional tense. You can follow that with an infinitive. So if I want to say I would like to drink a coffee, or I would like to have a coffee, je voudrais boire un café. I would like to leave. Je voudrais partir. I would like to drive. Je voudrais conduire. I would like to take the bus. Je voudrais prendre le bus. I would like to be on time. Je voudrais être à l'heure. I would like to work. Je voudrais travailler. I would like to read. Je voudrais lire. I would like to learn. Je voudrais apprendre. I would like to go out. Je voudrais sortir. I would like to speak. Je voudrais parler. I would like to discuss. Je voudrais discuter. I would like to comprehend or understand. Je voudrais comprendre. I would like to answer or to respond. Je voudrais répondre. I would like to think or to ponder, to reflect. Remember, réfléchir is to think deeply about something or to ponder something. So, je voudrais réfléchir. I would like to forget. Je voudrais oublier. I would like to take a break. Literally to make a pause. So to take a break. Je voudrais faire une pause. So that's it. Memorize these special forms of the verb vouloir, and your ability to communicate in French will grow by leaps and bounds. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. If you know someone that's learning French and think that they might benefit from these lessons, be sure to share. And thank you so much to my subscribers. Thank you for following my lessons and for all of your really nice comments and input and suggestions. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.